What trading gurus or liars say about having a high risk-reward ratio is a massive lie, causing you to bust your account. I'm Nick and I've been in the game for 6 years, attaining multi-six-figure prop funds with various different prop firms. I've taken thousands of trades, hosted hundreds of live streams on YouTube, and everyone, and I mean everyone, is looking at risk-to-reward ratio wrongly. Now, what does this do to you and why will it destroy your account? Let me tell you my personal experience. Imagine having a 1:10 risk to reward trade running. Price runs in your direction. Happy, right? And then suddenly, price decides to rage and do a whole bunch of nothing, or even worse, come back to your entry, and you don't earn a single cent from the trade. Sounds familiar? Notice the 3 mistakes that I made here. Number 1, I held my trade for a longer duration when my trade is in the right direction because I wanted a higher risk-reward ratio. Number 2, I battled myself psychologically on whether to close the trade or not. And most importantly, number 3, I didn't make money from the trade. I used to ignore my losses, thinking that one day I can hit that 1:10 risk-reward ratio or even higher. I learned this the very hard way. 3 years ago, I used to trade the 30-second charts or even sometimes the 1-minute chart. Let me tell you, I got utterly destroyed by the markets, constantly taking losses with my small SLs. Aiming for a high risk-reward ratio put me in a vicious cycle of hope and disappointment. Because if I had a constant 1:10 risk-reward ratio, I only realistically need to be right 10% of the time in order to be a break-even trader. So I thought to myself, sure, why not have a 20% win rate? And that would make me profitable. So each time that I lost a trade, I don't look back at why I lost. Was it the risk management style? Was it the trading strategy? Or was it just my psychology was so badly affected by my losses? All I did was I continuously looked for the next trading opportunity and hopping onto it the moment I spot the chance to make money and aim for the moon, only to experience another loss and loss and loss again. Then when I hit that one huge home run trade, it basically like 1 every 10 or 15 trades, my hope is renewed and the whole cycle repeats itself. It's complete utter bullshit. You have to be realistic in the markets. Not every single trade is going to hit a home run and run 300 to 400 pips in your direction. So take profits when you can and secure wins along the way to put money into your pocket. Now, this brings me to my next point. Aim for a high win rate instead of caring about the risk to reward ratio. Look, the primary goal of a trader is to make money, not aim for that one historical trade that runs a 1:5,000 risk reward ratio. It doesn't make any sense. The ones with the most money mainly controls the market. They are the central banks and your hedge funds. How to make money is by stop loss hunting small time traders like you and me. Since it is easier to shift and manipulate price on the lower time frame due to the lower pip count of each candle. They do that more frequently on the lower time frame as compared to the higher time frame. And that's why on the lower time frame, you tend to see a lot more noise in the market. That means that you see a lot of ranging, you see a lot of manipulation in price, whereas the higher time frame provides you with a smoother price action. Now, me, William, and Thomas have found the secret sauce to make more money in the markets. So our psychology is on point and we constantly earn money from the market. The secret is to take early partials and put your stop loss to break even. Taking partials at 20 to 30 pips in your trade puts you in the green for that trade, and that's a win, regardless of how big or small it is. Well, if the trade runs further, congratulations, you made more money, risk-free. Means that you have a 0% chance of losing your money. Now let me show you an example. This trade here was called out live by our swing trader William during the live stream on YouTube. He took sells on AUD JPY using the 4-hour time frame as seen in the screenshot over here, after a confirmation that was provided by the 4-hour rejection candle as seen over here on the 4-hour resistance. So what he did here was he took 20 pips partial as price was dumping and he shifted his SL to break even, and he let the rest run to take profit. Of course, our VIP members took advantage of this trade as seen with the various screenshots over here. This is how we are able to boast a 90% win rate on our Telegram channel, because we are constantly securing profits, taking risk off the table. That's why you are here in the first place watching this video, listening to me, because we have results period. Feel free to check it out in the Linktree link down below in our description. For those skeptics out there that don't believe that it's possible to get a 90% win rate, come for our live streams. We stream 2 times a day throughout the week, and we have all our live streams on our channel uploaded for accountability's sake. This is why we dare to do what we do and claim what we claim, because we have been doing this for years and results don't lie. The main point that I want to bring across is that, in summary, don't always listen to what other people have to say, especially those without proof and result. Try to experience it for yourself, what it's like to trade with profitable traders by your side, and you will see that a high win rate is definitely prioritized over a high risk to reward ratio. Focus on securing your wins and keeping your losses small by taking partials early and setting your SL to break even. So if you want to cultivate the habit of having a high win rate instead of caring about risk to reward ratio, and most importantly, actually being a profitable trader, you know where to find us. Link down below to join, and it's completely free with no strings attached. Don't forget to like this video if you have learned something new, and subscribe for more content that will open your eyes to the reality of trading. I'll see you on the live streams, and let's make some money.